we're done for today. We had a couple more things we'd organize, fix up. I think we've done it. So, got some messes in here. We're gonna ignore that. We got some other stuff we gotta do. Let me show you real quick. Come off in here. We got our junction block put up there. Got our new connector there. Our new harness. We'll come up here. Put one more zip tie. We'll shore those up. I went ahead and tested all of our wires. All our lights, when we have ignition on, we'll get ignition on. This will come up for voltage. And then all these lights will turn on as you turn them on. And then I have one wire pinned out for here that will go up to my main lights up here. So that wire, when you roll it all the way up and turn the lights on, will turn our blues on the bottom. There's a second set right there. The trans brake will only function, okay? Our trans brake will only function, you can set it up the camera, when it is in neutral from the micro switch, right there, or drive. That's the only time you want your trans brake to do anything, because you're in first gear, you got the light off, reverse. Any other time, you do not want that trans brake coming on. So that's what that micro switch is for. And for a quick tip, that's hot glue. For anyone, you're trying to find something to work for you that's cost effective, hot glue is awesome. It works. You can use it on several things. So yeah. Well, keep going. I think I have to remove that harness. I'm going to do some wire checking. Find out if I'm going to keep any of these wires, which I don't think I will. I'm going to rip all those wires out. All my taillights and stuff are over here. Man, it won't be long. We'll be driving this pig and get out of it. Come up to the front. The next thing will be organizing this mess a little bit. So most of these will come through the loom over here, and they'll go through the firewall, pull all this out, clean this up. All these will change. I'm gonna put my headlights on one switch because I'm only gonna have technically 2 headlights hooked up. And then all this here is I don't remember. I know this is a ground. I know this is a ground because I ran separate grounds for these two. I'll organize these. Just some bullshitting. That's it. We're done with it for today.